Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning, sir. I am fine, thank you.
The hotel looks very nice this morning.
Thank you. We try to keep guests comfortable and happy.
I had a good sleep, but I have a problem.
I am sorry to hear that. How can I help you?
My suitcase is missing from my room.
Oh no, that sounds stressful. Let me help you.
I cannot find it anywhere in my room.
When did you last see your suitcase?
I saw it last night after check-in.
Did you leave it in the hallway or a lobby?
No, I brought it into my room myself.
What color is your suitcase, sir?
It is large and blue with black wheels.
Does it have a name tag on it?
Yes, it has my name and phone number.
That is helpful. What is your room number?
I'm staying in room 305.
Thank you. I will check our system now.
I feel worried because my clothes are inside.
I understand. We will do our best to find it.
I also have important documents inside.
Please stay calm. We handle this often.
That makes me feel a little better.
Did you use hotel luggage service yesterday?
No, I carried everything myself.
Did any staff enter your room this morning?
No, I was inside until breakfast time.
When did you leave your room today?
I left around 8:30 this morning.
Did you lock the door properly?
Yes, I always lock the door carefully.
Thank you for confirming that.
I am very careful with my belongings.
That is good. Let me call housekeeping now.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
You are welcome. Please wait one moment.
I hope it is just a mistake.
Sometimes suitcases are moved for safety.
That is possible, I think.
Housekeeping may have taken it by mistake.
That gives me some hope.
I am calling them right now.
I can wait here at the desk.
Yes, please stay here with me.
Thank you for being so kind.
Of course, helping guests is my job. Is this your first stay at our hotel?
Yes, this is my first time here. I like the hotel very much so far.
That is great to hear. Welcome again.
Except for this problem, everything is perfect.
I am happy to hear that.
I travel often for work.
Then you know these things can happen.
Yes, but it still feels stressful.
I completely understand your feelings.
I try to stay calm and polite.
That really helps in situations like this.
Thank you for saying that.
You are doing very well, sir.
Do you need my passport information?
Not yet, but please keep it ready.
My passport is in my pocket now.
That is good. It is safer with you.
I learned that lesson long ago.
You seem very experienced with travel.
I had a lost bag once before.
That must have been difficult.
Yes, but it was found later.
I hope this will be the same.
I hope so too.
I am still waiting for housekeeping response.
Thank you for updating me.
You're welcome. Please relax.
I will take a deep breath.
That is a good idea.
Do you need my phone number again?
I already see it on the tag information.
That is great.
Yes, it makes things easier.
I feel a little calmer now.
I am glad to hear that.
I hear many guests lose items.
Yes, but most items are found quickly.
That is reassuring to know.
Our staff is trained for these situations.
I trust your hotel team.
Thank you for trusting us.
I enjoy staying in friendly places.
We want guests to feel safe here.
That really shows in your service.
Thank you for your kind words.
You are very professional.
I appreciate that very much.
Any news from housekeeping?
Yes, they just replied to me.
Oh, what did they say?
They found a blue suitcase near storage.
That sounds like mine.
Yes, the description matches yours.
That is wonderful news.
They are bringing it to the desk now.
I feel so relieved.
I am happy to see you smile again.
Thank you so much for helping me.
It is my pleasure, sir.
I was very worried earlier.
That is completely understandable.
I'm glad it was not stolen.
Yes, it was only a misunderstanding.
I will be more careful next time.
That is always a good idea.
I learned something today.
Every experience teaches us something.
Here comes the staff member now.
Yes, I see your suitcase.
That is definitely mine.
Please check it carefully.
Everything looks correct.
I am very glad to hear that.
Nothing is missing inside.
That is excellent news.
Thank you again for your patience.
Thank you for staying calm and polite.
I appreciate good customer service.
We always try our best.
I will recommend this hotel.
That means a lot to us.
You turned a bad moment into a good one.
That makes me very happy.
I can enjoy my day now.
I hope you have a wonderful day.
I will go out for sightseeing.
That sounds fun. Enjoy the city.
Thank you for everything today.
You are always welcome here.
Goodbye and have a nice day.
Goodbye, Summer. Take care.
I feel much better now.
I am glad I could help you.
This hotel feels like home.
That is our goal for every guest.
I will relax now.
Enjoy your stay with us.
Thank you once again.
You are very welcome.
See you later.
See you later, sir.